Chili. We're making chili. I love chili, and the weather's actually getting warmer, not colder, but today's a pretty gloomy day and I've had on a sweater and comfy pants all day, and all I want is a nice bowl of chili. Last time I made this recipe when I had some friends over, I realized I have never written down my chili recipe, so that's what we're gonna do today. And I need to think about the measurements a little more, so I have it set in stone. Small yellow onion, red pepper. Oh, I am not formally cooking trained at all. I also would love to take like a formally trained cooking class and learn the techniques and stuff, because I think it would be really helpful. Until then, this is what we're working with. Wonderful. Oh, I thought my eyes weren't gonna water, but they just started to. I'm gonna use almost half of this. I'm gonna cube this up too, just like the onion, because I'm gonna cook them together and I want them to be the same shape. I learned so much when I cook. I don't think cooking is something that you ever stop learning and discovering something, which to me makes it fun, because every time it's like, oh, now I know this, now I know that. I'm using this one today. I do have quite a bit of olive oils. I like to switch off between all of them. Minced garlic. I'm adding it in. The meat is just about cooked through. I'm gonna turn it down because now we're gonna add our spices. Starting with chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, pepper, and salt. Diced tomatoes, kidney beans, black beans, tomato sauce, tomato paste, barbecue sauce, turning it up to high, and I want this to simmer. Whoa! Wow, look at that. First things first, I have sour cream, cheese. I'm gonna use 2 types of cheese on top. Let's see what I have. Cheddar, exactly what I wanted, and some Colby Jack. I'm gonna freshly shed some, shed. I also have some Fritos. These are delicious to scoop it and eat it, but I'm also gonna crunch a few up to put on top. And some green onion. So let's cut it all up. Well, cut the green onion up. I love cheddar cheese. I love all cheese, really. Cheddar is so good on top of chili. I also was gonna do pepper jack if I have some, but I do not. That seems good. I'll always add more. Fritos are delicious. I'm just gonna, okay, I think that's good. Toppings are ready. Ew, what is this? The time has come where I sit on the ground and eat this with you. It's looking really beautiful. Let me give you an up close view of our chili. Look at that. Holy shit. Here's our chili. Look at this gorgeousness. I mean, wow. The bowl's hot. I'm hungry. So let's eat. Oh my god. Whoa. I think I just passed out. Wow. I truly believe food should leave you speechless. Oh my god. The crunchy Fritos. All that love and work that you put into making a meal should leave you speechless. Wow. Make this for someone you love. It's literally a bowl of love. That's what this chili is. It's perfect. It is actually perfect. Wow. Okay. Well, thanks for cooking with me. I'm gonna eat this giant bowl of chili. I served myself a big bowl, by the way. Like, this is probably 2 servings in one bowl. Thank you to my trusty Lynnee pan for always helping me make the most delicious and gorgeous meals. Okay. Okay, bye. This is so damn good.